地面が濡れていて非常に滑りやすいので、頭や足元には十分注意。
Go home. You would go down to the basement. Chair user. High-heeled shoes. Customers with pets. These customers cannot enter.